Hello everyone. For the 6th standard English, we were talking about from the supplementary reader chapter, that is Tale of Two Birds. Okay. In that we have seen that there is a mother bird in the storm. She died, and the two young birds were separated out from the different places. Okay, one fell in front of a cave where the robbers were lived. One bird lived, fell in front of Rishi Muni's ashram. Okay, so they both were living over there. One day, the king came to hunt in the forest. Okay, so he saw one deer, and he ran after him, and he didn't realize that he is going deep into the forest. Okay, and when he reached other side of the forest, he was very tired, and he saw that there is a cave, so and there is a tree, so he was sitting over there under the tree, and he was resting over there. Somebody was screaming and shouting like, come and have the jewels of him, and take the horse also, otherwise he will slip away. Okay, so when the king heard this voice, he saw that there is a one brown big bird was there on the tree. Okay, so as soon as possible he escaped from there. Okay, then he went to Rishi's ashram. He saw that there is a ashram, so he was sitting the shade under the shade of that ashram. Okay, so he heard that somebody is saying that please go inside, take rest, there is a cold water, feel comfortable. So uh, when king saw that there is a big brown bird who looks like the bird who was sitting in front of the cave, so he was very surprised. Okay, then the rishi came and said that these two are the brothers, but they both are living in different places under the different company. Like one bird who lived with the cave in front of the cave, and he was watching to the robbers, and he was always listening to the robbers, that what they are saying, how they are planning to rob, doing robbery and like that. So he behaved like that only. And this is living with Rishi. He always heard the gentle speech, the warmthness, the welcome, how Rishis and others are welcome, how they are school. So he behaved like this. So the moral of the story is how a people is living with whom is uh, very essential. Means the company is saying that how you are. Okay, if you are roaming with the bad people, people judge you that you are a bad also. If you are moving with the good people, or you can say that if you are living with the good people, behaving, your behavior speaks a lot. Okay, that how kind of people you are. Okay, so this story gives us that uh, how you welcome the people, how you talk to them is matters a lot. Okay, so now this is the story. Now we are going to have the questions like how did the two baby birds get separated. So we have seen in the story that how they get separated. So when the big storm came, their mother died, and because of the strong wind blew away them in a other side of the jungle. Because of that, they separated. Where did each of them find a home? So whenever they fell down, they saw the people over there and they stayed over there only. Okay, so how they are getting the home? Now, what did the first bird say to the stranger? Okay, so he said that come and have the jewels of the king and take the horse. Okay, what did the second bird say to him? The second bird said that uh, the second bird said that uh, please go inside in the ashram and have the cold water and feel comfortable. What did this? How did the rishi explain the different ways in which the bird behaved? The two different ways where the birds behaved, that how you are living, to whom you are living with. Okay, the company matters a lot. Which one of the following sums up the story best? A bird is a hand is worth in the two bush. One is known by the company one keeps. Yes, that is the true. The second one, a friend is in need is a friend indeed. The second one is the most suitable. Why? Because one is known by the company who one keeps, means to whom you are living with, that is important a lot. Okay, so these are the 6 questions that we have seen that through the story. Okay, this story is very necessary for us, that it explains us that how the people are living. Okay, and how people judge them. Okay, we have seen that no king heard the voice of the bird who lives in front of the cave. Okay, and what the first word he was saying, that please come from and come and have the jewels and horse also. So he was scared. The king was scared that they will take their jewels also and horse also. Then how he will go back to home? But and when he go there in Rishi's ashram, the environment is so pure. Okay, the rishis, sadhus are spoke very gently. They help the people. Okay, in the society, they are not greedy. They don't have any expectations that I want this how big house, this jewelry, something like that. They don't like that. They live in a peaceful life in the forest, and they don't want any other thing. Okay, so and they help the people, those who are needy. Okay, so make them comfortable, give them rest, and then they are showing the ways also, that how and when they will go to reach their destination. Okay, so this is the story that we have seen. These questions you have to write in your notebook. Okay, after that we will move to our another chapter, that is friendly mongoose. Okay, so that we will read later on. Here this is the supplementary that we are doing. There are total 10 chapters are there. Okay, so first we have done, if we will do second one, but first for that we will do the from the honeycomb, we again we will start, and then we will do the grammar portion. Okay, from the grammar portion, we have completed 4 topics, but after that we need to do some more exercises. Okay, then we will 5 6 we will done, because it's lengthy. Uh, Grammar is very lengthy. We have to do it fastly. Okay, so this we have done from the supplementary reader. Okay, so whenever you solve the exercise, you have to mention that this is from the supplementary reader, this is from the honeycomb. So when you are going for preparation for exam or anything, that you can understand. Okay, okay, because right now I don't think so you have made the separate notebooks for each and everything. You have to just write that if you are doing from the supplementary, so you have to mention, okay, this is from the supplementary. Okay, If we are doing from the honeycomb, you have to write, okay, this is from the honeycomb, chapter 1, chapter 2. Write the name of chapter 1, chapter 2. Okay, extra questions, whatever I given to you, extra material which is I given you, put the date and do it properly. Okay, from the grammar also we have done, so that also you have to write, okay, this is from the grammar. Okay, uh, write the questions properly. Okay, if topic number 4 is there, it should be continued. Topic number 4. Okay, then if we are moving to the topic number 5, so that heading should be there for to writing this. Okay, so this is for today's thing. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.